let's talk about pigtail kits. As you can see, on the very front of the kit, there will be a corresponding photo of every pigtail contained within your customized kit. Let's open the box, and as we do, you can see that each pigtail will be in its own slot. Now, the cool thing about this is there's also going to be a list on the inside of the kit. On that list, it will contain the part number for every connector and everything it can be used for. Now, if you take that part number and you enter it in on our website, it will populate with every fitment and function and description of what that pigtail can be used for, many times including an actual pigtail repair video to help you keep repairs in-house and repair and replace your own pigtails. For example, I take out a Z27C2, our most common connector, and once you do, all you have to do is reorder it by the part number.